It's the middle of the most important elections in India, and the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, including Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, is behind the bars. But the question that is on everyone's mind is, where is Raghav Chadha? The blue-eyed boy Raghav Chadha, who also happens to be the Member of Parliament and party's national spokesperson. The reason for his absence is that Chadha underwent an emergency eye surgery in London due to a retinal hole. A vitrectomy surgery is required to prevent such retinal detachments in the eye.
देखिए, राघव जो हैं यूके में हैं, उनकी आईज के अंदर कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो गई थी.
So what is retinal detachment? Retinal detachment, if caused, is a condition where the delicate tissue at the back of the eye becomes detached from its normal position, leading to a loss of vision. Without prompt treatment, these small holes can rapidly progress, causing severe vision impairment or even blindness. Now, what is vitrectomy? Usually, doctors recommend vitrectomy eye surgery to treat problems of the eye's retina. The procedure is done to remove the vitreous fluid from the eyeball. Additionally, it can be done to remove fluid with debris or to repair your retina. During the surgery, the surgeon removes the vitreous and then repairs the retina. Now, why is vitrectomy done? Vitrectomy is required if you have an eye condition that causes your vitreous to become cloudy, causes pulling on or damage to your retina, isn't easy to diagnose, needs a drug delivery or the therapeutic device. Now, when is vitrectomy done? Vitrectomy is recommended if you have one of these diseases or conditions: diabetic retinopathy, some form of retinal detachment, macular hole, macular pucker, an infection in the eye called endophthalmitis, severe eye injury, certain problems during cataract surgery. So, let's address this risk involved of vitrectomy. You might get an infection, bleeding, retinal tearing or detachment, developing a new cataract or having an existing cataract grow more quickly, having either low or high pressure in your eye, needing repeat eye surgery, rarely vision loss or blindness. So to avoid the hassle of a surgery, prevention is always better than cure. Consult an ophthalmologist at the earliest if any symptoms occur. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com.